Okay, so can I take myself over there? I guess I can't. So I don't think I'm going to be shown in this video, and that's quite okay. We're here to talk about Yeet. And Yeet, let me put it over here. Oh, there I am. There the hell I am. It's right here. This is a software, and it's freaking amazing. The reason why it's amazing is because you can take any of your long form content that you have, like say for instance me, I'm a YouTuber, I do lives. Because I do lives, I can't always, let's just say, my descriptions can change. Okay, in the middle of a video, comments may happen. People want to see other stuff. And because they want to see other stuff, I may go off course. To keep me back on course, I need to upload my video somewhere, somehow, so that I can get an accurate description. Because I want it to be as accurate as possible for when people click my video. And if they just want to read the description before they watch the video, you might be one of those people. You at least have a summary of what the hell I'm supposed to talk about. Well, if I don't put the proper description in, you're like, damn, this dude's a fucking liar about what he put in his damn videos. Well, this is where Alphana comes in. Okay? Okay. So Alphana basically lets you upload videos. Now, it used to be that you could upload YouTube videos and put it in here. But when I put a YouTube video in here, it doesn't work right. It doesn't want to work at all, actually. And what I mean by that is it is blocked now by YouTube. For whatever reason, Alphana, maybe other places like Unifier, VideoTap, Minvo, I don't know. But Alphana said they got blocked by YouTube because of them having, the link and downloading the video and trying to repurpose the content. YouTube said no to them. They said, hell no, we're blocking you. So that's the situation with Alphana. And I almost returned it. But I said, you know what? I'm going to stick it out with Alphana because I believe in the owner. I believe in what they're doing. And I know hopefully they'll figure this problem out with YouTube. But Yeet came in the picture. And the thing I like about Yeet is the price. Okay, I'm going to say it again. The thing I like about Yeet is the price. Why do I say Yeet in the price? Because, dude, it's $20. It's not even 20, it's $19. Okay? And it basically will do all these different things. Let me see here. I don't feel like reading this because I've read this like 5 times a day. It sucks because I didn't get any of those recordings. But I'm going to let the AI read it.
Download videos from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
There you go. I don't want that voice.
Vimeo, TikTok, Twitch, VK, Apart, Dailymotion, and YouTube. Many more coming very soon. 4K and 8K videos at 60 FPS. Download MP3 at 320 kbps. Age-restricted videos. 360-degree and virtual reality. Subtitles and closed captions. Automatic downloads, YouTube playlists and channels. Built-in search engine. Unlimited live stream recording. Priority support.
And there you have it. You get all these different things. Automatic downloads. So what does that automatic mean? That means I'll go to a video. For example, I'll just give you guys freaking examples. Because I just want you to see everything that I'm talking about. So if you take this video right here, or this video, let's just say I want to copy this Mr. Beast video. Copy link. Boom. Copy it. Okay? I get this message. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see that. But I got this message saying, why the hell did my camera go off? This shit is so goofy. You guys aren't able to see me. But the point is, because I'm going to keep teaching, I get this message as soon as I hit the Yeet thing. And it says, basically, Yeet has a video. And as soon as I did it, which I'm pulling it over here, the Mr. Beast thing, I copied it. It's ready to download. If I hit download as MP4, it's going to download to my computer. And as it downloads to my computer, I'm going to be able to see it and repurpose it, do whatever I need to do. It's going to be in my own folder, wherever that folder is that you have on your computer. They give you a little default. You can change that, okay, and Yeet, of where you want your folder or your videos to show up. You can do it easily. It's not that big of a deal. If you guys know anything about computers, it's going to be dumb easy. If you guys need me to do a video about it, I'll do a dumb easy video about how to do it. But I don't feel like I need to do that. But if I do, hey, oh well, I'll do it. I'll be making a video about telling you guys how to do it. But either way, the point is, this makes life easy because now, instead of having to do my live stream and try to go back in manually and figure out what the description is, watch the video again myself, and say, all right, this is what I talked about, this is how it is, da 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 da. I could just go and take my Alphana and my video upload, and say, you know what? I want to upload this, and I'm going to put it in Alphana. And as I put it in Alphana is going to do its thing. Let's say, for instance, where's the 5? I can do 5 short form clips, but that's not really what I want to do. I want to do YouTube content flow right here. There we go. YouTube content flow. And then I'm going to hit generate. And I could do this in Gemini or Gemini Mini or GPT 4.0 Mini. I don't know what the two differences are, but they did change that recently. So that's pretty dope. So I'm going to hit generate right now. And as I hit the generate button, what it's going to do on Alphana is going to take that video that I want it to repurpose and do different things. It's going to give me a description through AI. It's going to give me timestamps, all these different things it's going to do. And I can use this in my upcoming live video that I'm going to use. I'm not necessarily going to use everything from this for my description for my live, but some of the things I will use, some of the things I'm going to kick out, but it gives you description, timestamps, chapters. It gives you thumbnails, like AI generated thumbnails, AI images, title ideas, email newsletter. You know, if I have an email list that I want to send things out, it gives me all these different things that I could tweak and do. And it's just freaking amazing that you could do that. So the LinkedIn takeaways, that's a thing too. So this is huge. Alphana is fucking huge. And I might go in on some tiers on this, man. Like I like one more tier, okay? Because that's gonna give me 15 hours a month. And if you guys are anything like me, that 15 hours is gonna be huge, you know? Like it's gonna be way more than what you need. You can go up to 45 hours. That's really gonna be way more than what I need. But depending on how many videos you're doing, you know, and it's just so many benefits from Yeet and Alphana partnering together. I'm not saying that's what they're doing, but they should, because Yeet is the missing formula of what Alphana needs. And if Alphana, you guys are watching this, I'm telling you, this is what you guys need to do somehow, is to figure out how the hell is Yeet doing what they're doing. I mean, and the software is only $20. Okay, and it's been around since 2022. I have no fucking clue how that's even possible. But I'm happy that it's possible because I needed that. I needed this so I can actually take any video that I have and put it back in your software and use it. Because it was no way I was about to use that. All right, so look, Alphana breaks it down. Title ideas, catchy YouTube titles. So you go here, it gives you all these different things. Are you just a hearer? Learn to be a doer. That could be the title for our next video. The shocking truth about humility and divine wisdom. Damn! See, Alphana is dope. Transform your life. Go through the fire and shine. I mean, look, it's all things that are related to this video, and that's what I love about Alphana. Okay, I could do a podcast email thing. Boom, boom, boom. LinkedIn thing right here. The journey is crucial. It's not just about where you end up, but how you get there. Relationships matter. Connecting with others during your journey can transform your perspective. Humility is key. Acknowledge your limitations to grow and receive wisdom. See, like all these different things, like this is what it did instantly. You guys seen it? It didn't take that long. I got YouTube SEO keywords. I need to use these for my SEO keywords. I need to hashtag this. This is also long tail that they're giving you. How to find your purpose in life. The importance of humility. See, I can use all this in my next video, and this will help me be in the ranks. Okay, so I say that to say, man, this is an awesome piece of software. Yeet, working hand in hand in Alphana. It's a double portion thing that you need both of these to be successful. At one time, you didn't. I will say that. But because Alphana got blocked by YouTube, this is my workaround. Now you guys know my secret. Use it. Make money. Do whatever you need to do. Donate. I don't know. But seriously, I hope this was helpful. I hope this was informative. And I hope someone can use it. And please tell me that you can use it. And this is awesome if you thought it was. Okay? I just want to know I'm doing a good job. How will I know that? By the subscriptions that I get and also the likes and shares. Okay? I want everybody to be knowing this and have that type of knowledge, because people are just not very friendly to give out knowledge nowadays. I'm definitely not like that. So, anyway, that's the video that I have for you today. Boss up great, and I'm out. Peace.